Following rules must be observed while constructing real constants expressed in exponential form. So we can express numbers and real constant in exponential form, but there are few rules for expressing them in exponential form. Rule A: the mantissa part and the exponential part should be separated by letter E. So the characteristic and mantissa part is separated by letter small e. So as we see in log function, that is this part is separated by e for logarithmic calculations. Rule B: the mantissa part may have a positive or negative sign. That means mantissa can be positive or it can be negative. So that is rule B. Now rule C: default sign of mantissa part is positive. That means mantissa, if minus, that is negative sign, is not mentioned, then it is considered to be positive. Now the rule D: the exponent must have at least one digit which must be positive or negative integer. Default sign is positive. That means exponent, that is number before e, so it can be positive or negative, but default sign is positive if not given negative. Rule E: range of real constants expressed in exponential form is minus 3.4e38 to plus 3.4e38. So this is range of real constants. Examples of real constants are plus 3.2 e minus 5, 4.1 e 8, minus 0.2 e plus 3, minus 3.2 e minus 5. So these are range of exponential form of real constants. Rules for constructing character constants. Rule A: so there are some rules for constructing character constants. First is rule A: a character constant is a single alphabet, a single digit. A character constant is a single alphabet, a single digit, enclosed within a single inverted commas. Both inverted commas should point to left. For example, a is a valid character constant whereas a is not. That means both inverted comma should point to left. So that is uh, first rule A of character constants. Rule B: the maximum length of a character constant can be one character. Example: a I phi is equal to. So the maximum length can be one character only. Types of C variables. So there are various types of C variables. As we saw earlier, an entity that may vary during program execution is called a variable. A variable names are names given to locations in memory. So an entity that vary during program is called a variable. So variable names are given to given when variable names are given, they are stored in locations in memory. These locations can contain integer, real, or character constants. So locations in which variables are stored, they can contain integer, real number, or character constants. In any language, the types of variable that it can support depend on types of constant that it can handle. So type of variables that a language can support, they depend on types of constant that it can handle. This is because a particular type of variable can hold only the same type of constant. That means a particular type of variable can hold the same type of constant also. So type of variable it can support depend on type of constant that it can handle.